Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today I wanted to mix things up by checking out some fashion. So we're going to be taking a look at some winter outfit ideas. So if you are currently on the hunt to shake out of your boring routine this winter season, you are going to love today's video. So here we have a cute little puffer jacket rocking the neutrals out, followed by some winter outfit ideas that you can wear to school. So she's got a striped shirt here with some pants, nice simple pair of jeans and a sweater. Another sweater with some khaki pants. And we got a sweatshirt with some pants. Her outfits are just very casual and comfortable. Definitely perfect for getting through the school day. And then we move into something a little bit more dressy. I absolutely love this line print sweater. This is so cute. She has that paired with some tights and some boots. And then we have another skirt edition video. So if you guys didn't know, you can wear skirts and dresses in the cold if you pair them with some thermal stockings. You can get the thermal stockings off of Amazon. They're just gonna keep your legs nice and warm. And she has a turtleneck sweater here. I love the all black look. The skater skirt, very cute. This is your sign to stop dressing lazy during the winter. I feel like during the winter you just want to be like cozy and warm. So these are some of the outfit ideas that you came up with. Love that neutral look. Tan pea coat. Build an outfit with me. I peep the Christmas tree in the background. So we got a pair of jeans, white long sleeve shirt, and a nice striped sweater. This is what I like to call layering during the winter, which is essential if you want to keep warm. Nice, simple, casual outfit here. Ooh, this is a really cute outfit. So once again, if you want to rock a similar look and you are also looking to stay warm, make sure that you have those thermal stockings. Zebra print sweater, that's really cute. I love the leather skirt too. And the, ooh, this fuchsia hot pink sweater. Very cute. Now I thought that this outfit was really cute. She's going for that sweater dress look here. She did a nice little chained belt. And then we have an off-the-shoulder top paired with a skater skirt and boots. And then she has that chain wallet once again. That's like the upgrade from the traditional fanny pack. Another sweater dress combo. And then we have a get ready with me. So she has a white turtleneck here. I love turtlenecks during the winter. They just keep you so nice and warm. So her outfit involves a lot of layers. That is a huge scarf. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a scarf that big before. That oversized look is definitely in though, so she's got the oversized coat. And then we have another get ready with me video. So this one involves a pair of jeans. Button down. And that 90s vest look is making a comeback. And of course you gotta have your Ugg boots. I feel like that's a winter staple. So comment down below, what outfits are you rocking this winter season? Are they similar to what you see in today's video? Or do you like to style yourself in something different? So we have some more jeans here. A lot of wide leg pants going on right now. And like I said, that baggy aesthetic is definitely popular. We have another vest here. Combat boots, another 90s staple trend. I feel like this look is casual, but it's also kind of dressy. So then we have some holiday outfits. Now, obviously, the holidays are over. They've come and gone, sadly. But this video clip is still inspiring. We got some baddie outfit ideas. You can wear these pretty much all, winter season. Doesn't necessarily have to be the holidays. So first up, we got a really cute fur shearing on the coat there with the boots. Ponytail hairstyle, very cute. Love the way she did her makeup. Oh, I thought she was going to show us more than one outfit. She just showed us one. Okay. And then we have another get ready with me. Once again, with the wide leg jeans. Oh, I love this crop turtleneck. That is so cute. So basically you're like protecting your neck, but you got like a nice little fashion statement with a peekaboo shirt underneath. I love that idea. Very cute outfit. However, I would not wear a crop top in the winter. I'm sorry, but it's just a little too cold for that. So we have another get ready with me. Oh, we got a skirt with a slit. That seems to be a trend. I think I've seen that like 2 or 3 times in this video. And then we have a button down, combat boots off to the side. I can already see them. Tights. And then she has the coat there, the herringbone coat. Alright, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some outfit inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.